Here's an interesting one. Completely open plan living. The comb's fully exposed. Maybe a good sized colony there though. I've had a few girls land on my head while I've been watching, but they're not that bothered. And this is just in a bush. Now this is a view from inside the tree line. Should be fairly straightforward. Well, here we go. I've brought the basically rescued tree beehive, the one that was out in the open, back to my place. We lowered it down into a nice big secure receptacle, a bin, yesterday. I collected it last night. They were very, very, very good about it. And I'm going to hoist him up and cut the open comb off and pop them in a hive today. Right, I'll update you in a couple of minutes.